The space and alien niche has hundreds of thousands and millions of views on their videos, which make people thousands of dollars each month, and in this video, we'll be showing you how you can create videos just like these. First, we need a video script, so go on ChatGPT and copy this prompt. And it says create a script on the topic Are Aliens Real? Make it simple, interesting, and easy to read. The video is 1 minute long. Start the script with the question Are aliens real? And you can use this same prompt using a different question. We now have our video script. We need pictures, so now we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us prompts for interesting visuals for the script above that they wrote. We now have our video script and description for our pictures. We need pictures, so go on Leonardo AI, you can download it on the App Store. Click on Create Image, then paste the prompt that ChatGPT created for your visuals, and then click on Generate. And keep in mind Leonardo AI gives you 150 free tokens each day, which you can use to create videos and pictures. We now have our picture, and we're going to convert it to a video, so click on Image to Motion. And we're going to keep the motion strength to 5, and then click on Generate. And we now have our video. We're then going to copy our prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in Leonardo AI to create our pictures. And if you need more prompts for your pictures, you can always ask ChatGPT to write more. Now go on CapCut and put all of your pictures and videos that you created. We're then going to add a transition between each video and picture, and this will help people to stay on your video, just to give it a little bit of movement. And you can add any transition that you like. Then click on text, then add text, then paste the video script that was created by ChatGPT. Then click on text to speech and click on Joey, or you can choose any voice that you like. And we're going to do the same thing for our entire video script. Then we're going to screen record our entire video to create our auto captions. Click on audio, then extracted, then click on the screen recording of your video. And that's how we're going to get our audio. Then delete the text to speech that we created in the beginning, and the text as well. Then click on text, then auto captions, and click on the style text that you like. We're choosing the yellow and white one. Then click on start. We now have our captions, and we're going to move it to the middle, and we're going to make sure all of the spelling in our text is right. Click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner to download. And we now have our video. And if you want to know how to create animal videos for TikTok or YouTube, make sure to watch the video in the description box below. And this is how our final video looks like.